Good afternoon. It is Thursday, February 26th. It is about 5:45 p.m. at the time of recording this. And today and tomorrow, or tomorrow and Friday rather, will be rather warm, colder over the weekend, maybe some snow. And next week looks to be much above average. So let's jump right into it. Taking a look at our radar right now, you can see there's nothing going on. It's that warm front coming through. If you look behind, you can see Sioux Falls is still at 52, whereas we're at 41 here in the Twin Cities and only 42 in St. Cloud. And that's going to be the marker of what happens over the next couple of days. If you can see over my shoulder back towards Miles City and Sheridan in Wyoming, they're already up and around 60 degrees still about 5 o'clock. And taking a look at our visible satellite imagery, which is unfortunately decided it's going to, there it goes. Not much to see as the sun is setting here. And then the infrared shows that there's not a lot going on. There's a little cluster of activity up here towards central Montana, but other than that, there is nothing happening in the upper Midwest. The water vapor shows the same thing. It shows that we are getting some drier air across most of eastern Minnesota into northern Wisconsin. But beyond that, it is fairly dry, so that's going to keep us dry as well. And as you can see by looking at our QPF forecast, this is a precipitation forecast for the next 72 hours. We have at most about a tenth of an inch, and you'll see it's fairly far south. And that is where a snow band could set up and bring us anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of snow in the heaviest part of the band. Right now, it looks like the Twin Cities, the South Metro, could see up to a dusting, and St. Cloud will see nothing at all. And taking a look at our frontal analysis, you can see that warm front. They show it here as a trough, but it is a distinct warm front, and that will move across the region. And then 24 hours from now, there's that cold front coming in, and that will be our drop in Friday's weather. Temperatures will fall off from the upper low to mid 40s on Friday, and they'll fall all the way down into the teens by Saturday morning. And so let's take a look at our forecast for the Twin Cities right now, 41 degrees. And if we look here, we will see that I can't see the forecast with my setup. I just realized I can't see it. 41 today, 41 tomorrow, 43 on Friday, 21 on Saturday, 25 on Sunday. And there's that warming trend kicking in. Monday 37, Tuesday 37, and Wednesday 45. And taking a look now for our friends up in St. Cloud, not much difference, 43 degrees, 43 tomorrow, 39 Friday, 16 on Saturday, 21 Sunday. And they get the same warming trend, 37 on Monday, 36 on Tuesday, and 43 on Wednesday. So all in all, if you can get through a chilly weekend, we've got a really nice work week coming up. And that is your look at the Twin Cities and St. Cloud weather across east central Minnesota. I am meteorologist John Lamb, and you have been watching Black Sheep Weather. If you like our content, please smash that like button, smash the share button, and subscribe so you're notified whenever we go live. Severe weather season is just around the corner, as hard as it may be to believe.